We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you an in-depth look at the Manicure Set Professional Nail Clipper Kit, a 26-piece stainless steel nail care kit with a luxurious travel case. If you own this product, don't forget to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Let's dive into what users love and where they think this product could improve. This Manicure set has been praised for its extensive range of tools, offering everything you might need for hand care, facial care, and foot care. With 26 pieces included, users have highlighted how versatile this kit is, covering tasks like manicuring, pedicuring, eyebrow shaping, anti-acne treatments, and exfoliating. The stainless steel tools are a standout feature, with many reviewers noting their strength, durability, and sharpness. These tools are designed for lifetime use, making them a cost-effective solution for personal grooming. One of the most appreciated aspects of this Manicure set is its luxurious travel case. Compact yet stylish, the case keeps all tools organized and secure with elastic bands holding everything in place. Users have found this particularly useful for travel or simply keeping their grooming tools tidy at home. The sleek leather design adds a touch of elegance to the kit, making it an attractive gift option for both men and women. Several reviewers mentioned gifting it to loved ones and receiving positive feedback about its practicality and quality. Performance-wise, users have reported that the tools work flawlessly for various grooming tasks. The clippers and scissors are sharp and effective, eliminating the frustration of dealing with dull or awkward tools. Many users have shared their satisfaction with how well the kit handles basic manicures and pedicures, as well as more detailed grooming needs like eyebrow shaping or callus removal. The variety of shapes and sizes included in the kit ensures that there's a tool for every specific need. However, not all feedback has been glowing. Some users felt that while the quality of the tools is decent, it doesn't quite match up to higher-end professional-grade kits. A few reviewers noted that some tools felt slightly flimsy or lacked the durability they were expecting. For instance, one user mentioned that the cuticle trimmers had a spring attached incorrectly, which was frustrating to fix. Another reviewer commented that while the kit is great for casual at-home use, it might not be suitable for those seeking professional-level performance. Price is another factor that has drawn mixed opinions. Many users were impressed by how affordable this kit is given its extensive range of tools and overall quality. One reviewer expressed amazement that such a comprehensive set could be purchased for only $9. However, others felt that the lower price point was reflected in some minor quality issues. Despite these concerns, most users agreed that the value offered by this kit outweighs any drawbacks. Safety is an important consideration when using sharp grooming tools, and some users cautioned others to handle them carefully. One reviewer shared their experience of accidentally cutting themselves on one of the sharper tools in the kit. While this highlights the effectiveness of the tools, it also serves as a reminder to use them with caution. Overall impressions of this Manicure set are largely positive. Users appreciate its versatility, stylish design, and affordability. The compact travel case makes it convenient for both home use and on-the-go grooming needs. While there are some concerns about durability and professional-grade performance, most users agree that this kit offers excellent value for money. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their personal grooming routine without breaking the bank. If you're considering purchasing this Manicure set or already own it, we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions about whether this product is right for them. Remember, you can find more details about this product by clicking on the link in the description to support our channel.